Hello, my friends. I'm here to tell you all about the bundle, but this little crazy dog is going crazy. So Honey Bear wanted to say hi, not the ears. You know I don't like that. Doodles are half human, let me tell you. She's got her other arm around me. Look at that. She's nuts. Okay, let's put her down so we can talk about the bundle, because bundle, also known as collection, also known as you save more money. I am pretty much giving this to you at my cost because I want you to have these because they're so awesome. What is it? Well, you've already seen our stamp set for the month and the Die Hard Club set, right? The Ice Pops. They're so awesome. Well, I couldn't stop. That's my problem. I just keep going and going and going. I'm like that Energizer bunny, right? Well, here we go. This is our club set. Here is the bottom one is the add-on. So I wanted you to be able to have those fun little, like, what do they call them? Rocket Pops, the watermelon, a smaller version of the Ice Pop. And let's look at these. So chill out and celebrate. You melt my heart. Summer is my favorite season. Cool friends like you are the best. Love it. Little extra pieces for this smaller one, a smaller happy face, a little more drips. And look at the dies that match. Of course, everything you get in here, you're getting those dies that match. Now, we also have chill out and all the awesome words. Then we also have the stencil set, which is amazing. Then we also have the Hello Summer. So my friends, run, do not walk, run to your website, get this bundle items because they are so amazingly awesome. I will see you there, stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.